Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 5, patterns. Our first question is make patterns using only straight lines. So let's learn by few examples. Our first example is one triangle, one square, again one triangle, then one square, last one will be one triangle. Here you can observe, children, a triangle has 3 straight lines and a square has 4 straight lines. Our second example is V is in upward direction, then V is in downward direction, again V will be in upward direction, V will be in downward direction, then again V will be in upward direction. As you can observe, this letter has 2 straight lines, same as you have to do for others also. I have used number of shapes and letters. You can use numbers and any objects also. Our next question is make patterns using only curved lines. So let's learn by a few examples. First example is one circle, one oval, again one circle, one oval, then last one will be one circle. Here you can observe a circle has one curved line and an oval also has one curved line. Second example is C is in rightward direction, again C is in leftward direction. Then again we need to use C is in rightward direction, C will be in leftward direction, C will be in rightward direction. These are the mirror image of each other also. I have used a number of shapes and letters. You can use any pictures and any alphabets also. Our last question is make 3 different patterns by using leaf. Here we need to make 3 different patterns by using this leaf. So start. I have one leaf. I will put is in upward direction. Then I am going to put this leaf is in downward direction. Then I am going to put this leaf is in upward direction. Same, we have to repeat it 5 times. Then next leaf will be in downward direction and the last leaf will be in upward direction. Upward, downward, upward, downward, upward. Our first example has done. Second pattern I am going to draw. I am going to put first leaf is in rightward direction. Then I am going to put second leaf is in leftward direction. Same as we have to repeat till 5 times. Rightward, leftward, then rightward. Again we have to put leftward. Last we have to put in rightward direction. Second pattern also has done. Third pattern I am going to put 2 leaves is in upward direction. Then I am going to put one leaf is in downward direction. Again same thing we have to do. Last one, 2 leaf will be in upward, 1 will be in downward, then 2 leaf will be in upward direction. So we have completed our 3 patterns by using this leaf. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explore patterns, describe patterns, make patterns using shapes, numbers, alphabets, etc. Till now, enjoy this chapter. Thank you.